100 plus stalls, leading brands, all under one roof. This is Guj Gift Expo 2025 happening at Vigyan Bhavan near Science City Road. This all is happening for 3 days, today, tomorrow and day after. Collection में बहुत सुंदर गिफ्टिंग हैम्पर्स मिल जाएंगे, स्किन केयर मिल जाएगा, मेंस वेयर मिल जाएगा, बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स एंड गुडीज के ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे, स्टेशनरी आइटम्स मिल जाएंगी with some leading electronics and gadgets brand. So you definitely have to visit this. It is a perfect one-stop destination for all your gifting queries. You're not going to find so many brands under one roof. This is again a one-stop destination, and if you want to check out the collection, swipe left.
Hello, hi.
Tell us.
Okay, so this is our brand New Republic. You can check us right here at Gujarat Gift Expo. And if you'll get our products, this is one of our coolest products. This is Cyberstun Spin, which is a spinner and an earbud.
Okay, look at that.
So something really cool around the corner which you haven't ever seen. Another cool product which opens up like this.
Okay, look at that.
Again, the very shiny ones.
Okay,
Glamorous look.
look at that.
And then our best hot sellers.
Beautiful. So we have all the gadgets for something that is trendy. Look at that. Wow. Lovely. If you're looking for some hampers like these, then ये भी बहुत सुंदर options हैं. You will get beautiful hampers for dry fruits, some berries as well, berry mix. Something like this, that is cold pressed oils. Look at that. And hamper boxes like this, something like this. More options in this. Less is more is the motto of this brand, and they have come up with beautiful skincare products. Look at that. Beautiful. Some more gifting items here. These are very cute, desirable by everyone. I think these are InstaX instant cameras that we see a lot. Look at that. Beautiful. In a lot of color options, sizes. Hello sir.
Hi, my name is Rishabh and I represent Nachman. So we're the importers for this brand in India.
Alright.
The glasses are made in Germany. Everything that you see here is lead-free crystal. This is a more than 200-year-old brand.
Okay.
So what we have specifically done this time is that we have curated gift sets specific for this festive season.
Alright.
So along with our glassware, our bowls, you can also club in dry fruits and you can give something which is very exclusive, not available across everywhere.
Okay.
Interestingly, what else we can do is that we can also customize on the glasses. So what you see here is a Jeep Wrangler that is off-roading.
Okay.
This is what we have done for our customer.
Wow.
So
interesting.
customization possibilities are endless. The brand is exclusive. Please do visit at our stall.
This is Dhruva Enterprise, and they are here with their beautiful bag options along with some combos for men. So these are perfect gifting as well as personal gifting also. If you want to gift something to yourself, this is the right stall. They have lot of options of bags, laptop sleeves, files में भी उनके पास options हैं. Look at that. Something in these jute carry bags also. They have lot of options here. Look at that. Then we move on to something in leather as well. They have lot of options in that. Look at that gifting set. Beautiful. Along with certain combos like this as well. Look at that. These are very cool fridge magnets. This particular brand experts in crafting something for corporate gifting. So from magnets to keychains to something like that. Tags bhi hai unke paas. They have these clips. A lot of options. Look at that. Some keychains if you're looking for some. coasters, look at that, with some bands option as well. Along with, they do all these customization of names as well. This is Gwalia, and they have come up with their beautiful gifting hampers options. Look at that. Something like this for all your dry fruits. Beautiful gifting items, beautiful gifting options actually. Look at that. That is just very pretty. So everything that you see here is eco-friendly and 100% vegetarian. No animal bone used here. Look at that. Beautiful options.
This is made 100% vegetarian.
Lovely. These can be used as dessert bowls, you know, something if you want for your chip and dip. That also they have. Coffee set options they have, something like this. You can put your sauces here and then, you know, something over here as well. Beautiful. Look at all the options that they have. Along with these as well, these are big trays and then they have these small trays to it. Look at that. Look at that. That is something very cute. A lot of cups options as well. Again, a very beautiful copper gifting set. Look at all those options that they have. Simple में अगर जाना है तो वो options है. अगर आपको कुछ, you know, you want something unique and standing out, then these are the options. The bottle along with 2 glasses. Look at that. If you're only looking for this, ये भी options हैं. Bottles के बहुत सारे options हैं इनके पास. Look at that. Beautiful options in bottles as well as in set. Look at that. And then they also have some more gifting options. अगर आपको दिवाली के लिए या फिर राखी के लिए अपने होम डेकोर आइटम्स के लिए कुछ चाहिए तो वो भी है इनके पास. Look at that. Beautiful. You can put flowers in this and, you know, a diya. It will look very aesthetic. Look at that.
Myself, Ulvis Patel from Kasla. We are India's first sustainable apparel brand. This product you see is made of 100% recycled PET bottles.
Okay.
I'll show you a few more products.
Wow, that's a lovely concept.
This is our sweat polo, which is made of 320 GSM, 40% PET bottle and 60% recycled cotton waste.
Lovely. Look at that. Interesting concept.
This is again 40% PET bottle, 60% recycled cotton waste, zero dye or chemical used in making or coloring this t-shirt.
Okay.
The feel you get is cotton, but it is a poly cotton t-shirt.
Lovely.
Next one is crew neck with 9 colors, again 40-60. So that is the range of my poly cotton t-shirts. I'll bring you to the 100% organic cotton, hand-picked cotton. No machinery is used in growing or cultivating the cotton. This is 100% organic cotton crew neck. We have 25 colors in that.
So they've got 25 colors
That is
in
top.
that. Beautiful.